Have you ever yawned just because someone else did? Let's uncover the mystery behind contagious yawning. Alright, so picture this. You're in a room, and someone lets out a big yawn. Suddenly you feel the urge to yawn too. Why? Well, it turns out, yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. Yup, we're talking about that we're all in this together vibe. When you see someone yawn, your brain's empathy circuits light up and boom, you're yawning too. It's not just humans either. Dogs, chimpanzees, and even parakeets catch the yawn bug. It's like nature's way of saying, hey, we're part of the same team. So next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's not just about being sleepy. It's your brain's way of showing some serious social skills. Cool, right? Now try not to yawn after this video. Bet you can't do it. Catch you next time for more fun facts.